See, I don't care who is leading the nation. In this case, it doesn't have to happen. A nation that is 70 years. All true. Yeah, but see, I want to say, maybe, sorry, but there was so best someone to what time and what the other. Let this stop. Let the nonsense stop. Stop it. And oftentimes when we are talking about things like this, dangerous things like galamsey, now person a party, for our party, not all. I don't want to hear it. Obi to prepare to see an answer, be a party. Are you serious? What they be a party? What do we care about your party? Can you get me to be say 50 Ghana be a 2 weeks? Say what toy 2 days or next day or so santo. Now what tear person the party? We don't care about your party. Church and can you talk can near 1,000? It can take us to like 1.5 weeks. Now we buy 1,000 and not the same week now we need to buy another 1,000.
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so. But mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notifications so be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wasi no adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so. Now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of a, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
You see, I don't care who is leading the nation. In this case, it doesn't have to happen. A nation that is 70 years. All true. Yeah, but see, I want to say, maybe sorry, but there was so best someone to what time and what the other. Let this stop. Let the nonsense stop. Stop it. And oftentimes when we are talking about things like this, dangerous things like galamsey, now person a party, for our party, not all. I don't want to hear it. Obi to prepare to see an answer, be a party. Are you serious? What they be a party? What do we care about your party? Can you get me to be say 50 Ghana be a 2 weeks? Say what toy 2 days or next day or so santo. Now what tear person the party? We don't care about your party. Church and can you talk can near 1,000? It can take us to like 1.5 weeks. Now we buy 1,000 and not the same week now we need to buy another 1,000. And you are calling that a South Africa 40. Look at what the South Africa, and I'm telling South African government, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't stop the madness by those lazy hooligans who are precipitating nonsense against their fellow Africans, you will have yourself to be blamed. And I'm speaking to His Excellency, Cyril Ramaphosa and your government. Take responsibility before the whole of Africa rise against you. Because if we sack all South Africans, over 10,000 South Africans living in our nation from Ghana and from all nations of Africa, you will not be a happy man. We will quench the light of South Africa if you don't act. Don't forget, MTN, DSTV are all companies of South Africa. In this day and age, you can have people go into other national shops and call them foreigners. Are you insane? Which nation doesn't have foreigners? When you people died like animals, the whole of Africa rose up for you. The whole Africa. Dr. Nkrumah gave South African officials Ghanaian passports so that they can travel. Today, you people can get up and rise up against this nation and Nigerians, people who have stood for you, and Zambians, and Zimbabweans, and Malawians. Africa against Africa. I call on the president of South Africa and your government. If you don't stop this, whatever attack, whatever you call it, you will have yourself to blame.
Fa LGBT nyawa nesem. Wan kasa ukanza se wewie no. Esa ukotena se. Wa wotena se. Na wa bisa wo ho se. Wa bisa wo ho pa se ndi asem a wo kan yi. Wa honimu, wa dwene mu, wa disua mu, onti ase mu. Se president Kofi Oduro na tie kunwa so se Ghana mampani a. Enka de wo kan no nura yi. Saa na obeka no ana. De wo kan no nura no. Enka saa na obeka. Me ade ba kwa me mpekra wo me radio adwuma ma ye nyina mu ne se me mpese me ka sofo bia ho asem asofo asem me mpeka kra a very uncomfortable for me me nya ade a me kakra ba se wo nyame kwan na wo de ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo be ka no kra kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan tuodo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kra wei na mo ka na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa kase president Mahama ye wadamfo wo ye would be a woni no country musam ni ade en ha me mini problem bia wo ho ba kanokre na ye hu se wa kanokre se de no a wo kan no bra na ban ba ko no kan sa ne me say me no odi ankan kwa me ye boa at least I can speak for myself and my brother odi ankan kwa me ye boa me mfere ho da se me ka se LGBTQI me time michi eyachi wade ma sorry ameko me na me wagidie ka say me ma sorry ameko Catholic no Catholic chiri ye time sa de no eya bon samode se be ma say ma me kwan na me nware be ma oba se ma me kwan ma me nware oba. The Catholic Church has been consistent said ye tie nra no sa ho a ne ejina ne ene da achi nyina ho a ne ejina time wana Nana Sofopon, Joseph Osebunsu, Konongo Mampon, where President Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference, no, we spoke against it. And under Nana Sofopon, Majukozi Jemfi, we are still speaking against it. That is principle. That is principle. Also, Lawrence said, and to more person what say, the President Bakubi or Hodia and the no cry or Bible. But other person or Hodia, no cry or Bible. Kauye Dia Nanke. Uye din na kwa nka hwe ya na nka ye pa osafo se uni mu a ade ba akwa e wokọ so amanfo ka fa wo me ka mo atie anope se enra na social media so ma se wo pa o yesi abaya ti board bi a o mo na be hwe atonton state class ni ade na oda board no su bi eno so ye eda de nyina ka enra nsem a after we e ba social media no so enti sentence a papa bomodin na issue statement say sa asem na de anya no kre ba we de wo kan de video de wo ho nyina ya te say wo say ma yemfa LGBT nyama nyosem so on say president Mahama be kan kire say enye priorities esi a owie na Felix Kwachi ofosu be kan say LGBT no enye priority mayen e na won so de abeto so say me yemfa ahwoden na wo de condemn ye time na president Kofi Oduro tie akonwa so no sa ahwoden na nkasofo pani Lauren Tete obi ebuwo na me hwe se ka de sa ahwoden na be kasa a che president Mahama say obua ora eye priority magana fo so ahun ade na ye 20 priority 2024 then ye bedu 2026 de enye priority biom ade mo dem bi say ho sa asem no
Peace FM.
Anano enso to ye ejiri ya papa nyame amamu anka ye nte asempa enti ye ntwen emensuo ne nto na enyiri mfa ye nim time enso ne beto ato aso ti asra aban omompe contractor no no meye adwuma no na mfiri ho ye adwuma agu sese wo twa market yi mu a enipa nim bebre empatane gugu ha saa sese enso obetoto yesra gata na eyiri a ekum nipa ema ye boka esa ya nnuama because of gata interman for agigi loans akase omo dwane because ye tata omo enti yesra twa na behwe odona wo ba odona enwuma ahodo ana ewo odona yesra omo asa gata no omo asa dezenga bi etwa ho eno ti ama obi ye ehunu na waba beto ya de amayen sa wukokwohwe ye ho no musasia na yenyo ye ba eno ane sa ya batena te se ekunafo yesrew amampani yesrew woni wo ministers yesremo o my god no don na fo yesremo
wakotoshi wakpajo mama ke wo bi fe ni ka hwe na nu won pa me fai jo mama ke pia fe wakotoshi ye fa yo ji wo wan bi na me be cheme wodanche waba odo na 3 o'clock lonji wo nyombo jiwo ame awo mo nyomo pi wanye wa pay beni bank manager chaboshi police in chaboshi nula un chaboshi kanyombo ne be wo yefwe be no ba no fenate won pa fai ni bi ajoleje ka wo ke ba help antone wodanche wo ka wo shika e block for 10,000 blocks. Why are you Ross? I'm a fair back a camera. I'm a George Lano poker hole. What work? I'm a fight.
There's a 3 million people and a Waha Mudiga. Sadia way, Abayo Pakai. Ah, Obin to mean Tramano Abatadia. Obinson to mean Chamunko.
One Shasa MPP are buying the sea into 1 year. What was say ya was your boy, Manyama, I was seeing now with your movie, Yansakan. Yes, Rano, more Ninani, and Snow Bronco, and a Snow Bronco.
MPP are buying Eddie Garlic if walk raw, ever saw a yimu, some of Gamba Biagata, Ebia Mama, said a bay so to any fire. No, I feel mother and sincere Muria, Moody Chase, the boy Adama Kumaku, a storyboard and Makumaku Tata 2, so and I'm never better Hesia. Modia Bejubai, Obianco, Obiama, Acroforia, no matter what to order him, no more. Ah, now Kobi Bayasa, Anka Mahama, one Anka Udo say. One Anka Udo say. Zinato away.
Civil society organizations say you muti as CSOs. Wama command penina so ewo natina Jubilee House and na kobon komo. Na and some of wamo bon komo de bura ka tia nwhi. Ba kwa man penika ya edin koma twetwe aba. Eye LGBTQ+ and the keke kan ho no. Na man penitire mu se LGBTQ+ no. Ehia de Ayasemi now so Omani pa nia.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order.
Civil society organizations say you muti as CSOs. Wama command penina so ewo natina Jubilee House and na kobon komo.
Say MPP ti ye suni ye ben yi a ye de ne nam ho adwuma ase ye adwuma ase ye nye me patcho mi bisa o ye nya power ye beba 2028 ohun abato na ye koto no enough from any ye kofa 2028 abato no e kashi akọ and that from any ye kofa it is a ye suban any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here me patcho mi bi so ya ready for power because ya NDC sika wo mu pompe gu wo mu campaign mu 2024 ni ene Ah, what magic God, your friends, a go concession, you know. First all team said 2028 election, you see, Kabe womu papa. Then people for mu will be. The youth of this country, no, ye enjoy watching a beam. Ye fry and up and one that bang, the idea win, ye jedra, and only a pay. And to be anyone while Baba in the future. Or bet me quite echo dinner, document, and I'm so to Aba. At the end,
But said, "O Jen Yame, quine now, they are too hono. So also we are suffer. Now we can crash the Ghana for. Then Yame quine, don't know that was so for as a no could away, now can. Now they barbe yet, or they be wada because while I can say present, mamma, you are done for. Or you would be our no country with some